Everyone, in this video we'll learn left and right function. Also we'll try mid function. So without wasting any time, let's start. Ready, set, corporate. So let's suppose I want to uh, pull the email IDs out of this particular text. So what I'll do is just type its right side. So we'll write right. Then we have to select the text. The number of characters: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So it will pull the last 10 characters from this text. So we can do it. This is called left right, and we can also use that left. So here we can type left text for and done. This is how we do it. And also we can try mid function text starting. Let's suppose we want to add the rate out of it, or like what we called mailing ID or something. Then we'll starting with the 5, the ending with the 6. Oh, number of characters. Sorry, we can pull this like this. Also, if I change 6 and then 5, then it will pull this. Somewhere we can use this. Not really, but we can. Thank you. Please subscribe.